Bunch of dead rats.
Nice.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to start the project on the Spartan travel trailer. So we'll go check that out. Before we get to that, make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Let's go check this thing out. So here we have the 1946 Spartan Manor is the model, what it's called. Travel trailer. Single axle. No one's lived in it for probably 20 years. I got it for free. I just had to pull it home. And I looked online, and these things, if you go through it and redo it the right way, they can be worth quite a bit of money. So, and there's the old logo. Spartan Man Jr. Front windows are destroyed. Have to replace those. This one was totally busted out. Now let's go take a look at the inside. It's pretty bad on the inside. You can see it. It's in pretty bad shape. There's one wasp. That's what I was afraid of. You can see that there's wasp nests absolutely everywhere. I mean, it's bad. It is really, really bad. Oh, man. Dirty underwear. Ugh, it smells terrible in here. Alright, so really the only option you have with this project is to fully gut the whole thing. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna set up the dump trailer right next to it, and we're just pretty much gonna get rid of everything. We're gonna get it all the way down to where it's just the bare walls, and then get a game plan from there of how we're gonna do a floor plan and how we're gonna redo this thing. So I guess now it's time to get started on doing a full gut of this thing.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. vision.
So I found the papers for it. You can see that it is a 1947, year model 46. But it was last registered in 1988. So 30 years ago.
Don't lie at night, I be in my feelings, I'ma be fine. Need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got
Alright, so after a couple hours, we pretty much got it fully gutted. It was absolutely disgusting. Full trailer load. So I think next step is going to be to vacuum it all really good and then go from there.
And if they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Alright, so we got everything cleaned up in here as best we could for now. It's all vacuumed and it doesn't smell nearly as bad. Our next step is going to be to take off all these panels and get a look at what's going on behind them. I have a feeling we're going to be getting rid of all the old insulation. We're going to be popping out all the windows, making sure that they're all sealed up, probably getting all new seals for them. Get the windows to fix all that, obviously. And then we're going to make sure everything in this is sealed up and totally waterproof and have a good waterproof shell and then go from there. So that's it for this video, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.
I got reason if you wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed 'em if you're coming for me.